Hey my peeps, let's make some cute Thanksgiving turkey and pumpkin pie cakesicles. So you're just gonna need this cakesicle mold, which you can find it on Amazon. I usually leave it overnight in my freezer and let it get firm, and then I take it out and let it air dry for the rest of the day. So then once you want to have it firm because you're going to work on it and you don't want it to get distorted. So then I took my little craft knife and I made the little hole so that I could stick my cake stick in there. And then I took a piece of clay and I formed it into a teardrop, and then I kind of let the end extend a little bit, rolled it out a little extra because I wanted to fold it up to look like a chicken wing. So it's basically a teardrop, but you're gonna like roll the end a little bit longer just so you can fold it up and make it into a chicken wing, okay? Excuse me, a turkey wing. So basically you're going to do the same thing for the turkey legs. Just going to roll it into a teardrop. You know, make sure you have that little drumstick shape. And then I got some sprinkles that look like bones from my Halloween stash. And I just made a little hole and put a little dab of tacky glue. And I stuck one in there to make it look more like a drumstick. Right? So you can find those little bones on Play Code 3. I have a coupon code in my bio if you want to get some. So you're going to do that again. Make a little hole, get your little tacky glue, and just stick that bone in there. Don't it look cute? Make it look like a little drumstick. And that's basically your turkey. So now you're going to take a craft stick. You could take a craft stick, a lollipop stick, whatever you have. Now be careful. I smashed my wing, sticking that lollipop stick in, the craft stick in. And I got this colorful craft stick. It comes in a whole collection with like 5 different colors from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to keep this pretty simple, and I'm just going to stick a little brown and beige bow on there just to keep it, just to make it look a little bit cute, you know, a little fancy and stuff. But I really didn't want to add too much to it. And so here is my attempt at a pumpkin pie, guys. Please take the time and make it better. I actually put the craft stick on the wrong end now that I'm looking at it. And just roll you out a crust. This is supposed to be the crust part of the pumpkin pie, which should have went on the other end. But hey, things happen, and you know what? You just go on ahead and keep on moving and just do what you gotta do. Then I got my toothpick and I kind of just made decorations on the crust part. And then I got some white clay, made a swirl. Well, and I think I kind of made the swirl a little too big, but you go. Make it smaller. I was just trying to get this done. And got me some Mod Podge. And just put some on there because I'm going to put some of my fake cinnamon on there. So I want to make sure I had enough Mod Podge on there. And then I stuck my my whipped cream on there. And then I got my fake cinnamon and I just drizzled some on there. Sprinkled some, not drizzled. Sprinkled some on there. And there go my turkey pops, which came out pretty cute. And then I just stuck an orange bow onto the pumpkin pie. And there you go. Some turkey and some pumpkin pie. Cakesicles. Easy to make. Make you some. Talk to you soon.